Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Michael. Thanks for clicking on the video. On this episode, we work in our kitchen and our living room area. With our living room area, it was mostly minor cosmetic changes. We didn't really do anything major apart from the wall that used to be here, which was a load-bearing wall. And for our kitchen, we got the kitchen done. So both these items were outsourced due to the fact that we're just running out of time. But we did do the tiling, which is something, I guess, and the painting and the plastering. But Shannon also took care of all the styling in our renovation. I couldn't put any inputs in it because I'm just not really a stylist by nature. So yeah, if you're looking for any artworks or anything like that, like the piece pictured behind me, check out Missy Whimsical. I'll link her page down below. Her artwork is really cool and really intricate, and it's really unique as well. So if you're looking for something like that, don't be afraid to check her out. Apart from that, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching the whole YouTube video. What you guys didn't see was when we put this shelf on, it was too long because the wall isn't completely straight, so I ended up just jamming it in there and then damaging the wall. Shannon wasn't very happy with it, so that's totally fair. I was pretty angry and pretty frustrated, so I ended up having to trim a bit of it off, and then I ended up installing it, getting it done. So this is it. This is our completed kitchen. You're pretty much up to date now. And yeah, stay tuned for the final reveal. Thanks again, guys, and if you liked the video, drop a like down below and also comment down below as well if you liked the video. Anyway, stay safe out there and peace.